सो हम आज बात करेंगे SQL कमांड्स के बारे में. सो देर आर डिफरेंट कमांड्स विच वी यूज़ टू कम्युनिकेट विथ database to perform specific tasks. So mostly we can say commonly we are using DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So the long form of DDL is data definition language, and the SQL commands are used for creating, modifying and dropping the structure of database objects that are known as data definition languages, and the commands we use in it are create, alter, drop, rename and truncate. So in DML stands for data manipulation language, and here the SQL commands are used for storing, retrieving, modifying and deleting data. So the commands are select, insert, update and delete. Now DCL stands for data control language, and these SQL commands are used for providing database objects. These commands are grant and revoke. Lastly, TCL stands for transaction control language, and the SQL commands are used for managing changes affecting the data. Its commands are commit, rollback, save point. Thanks for joining. Hope you are understand the session.